Hello YouTubers, it's Captain Seaton here from the Dell Latitude mothership. A friend of mine on Discord just recently got one of these models here. This is a Dell Latitude E6410, and he had an interesting question. He says, how do I get the gunk out of these corners right here? You'll see it's kind of a mesh screen here on the edge, and I guess this one I think I bought 2 or 3 months ago off eBay, and it was definitely well used and definitely looked like it has some mileage on it. So I cleaned it up doing my initial clean, but the first thing I started to annoy me was basically the leftover food crumbs, the dust, the dander, whatever else was stuck in these mesh screens. What you actually have, if I pull back a little bit, there's 2 vent holes right here. I believe they're either vent holes or for speakers, and those will stay pretty clear, but the rest are like little cups that are going to catch dirt. So as I mentioned in some of my videos, big fan of automotive cleaning products. This is Meguiar's Natural Shine Protectant, the same stuff I use on my car dashboard. Armor All just leaves kind of a sticky, greasy finish to it. These keys have actually been treated with the same stuff, and as you see, they're not overly shiny. They just kind of look, I guess the word for it's factory fresh. So to work on these corners here, I got my Natural Shine Protectant, and I get in pretty close and just kind of put some blobs in. You can either paint it like a line like this, and then we just need a paper towel real quick. Grab one of those. Now what I'm doing with the paper towel, just making a ball, and I'm just going to kind of spread this down evenly like I'm painting it on the surface. You can get down inside all those holes there. And I guess the final step, you could either keep rubbing it back and forth, that's going to get most of the dirt off of it, but pretty much the next step of this is you want to grab your can of compressed air, which there's very little left here, and you can actually blow the dirt out of the holes like so. Once you've liquefied the dirt down inside the holes, of course, hopefully the rest will come out evenly. If you get some of this crack right here, you can always like spray it out of the crack too as well. Clean that out. And the final touch, I usually take some microfiber cloth, just rub it like this. And there you go, pretty much nice and clean, spotless. A little bit left in there, I can get in there with a Q-tip or a paper towel. But you'll see there's nothing left inside those holes. It's nice and clean. So if you need some pointers on how to clean your old laptop, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Subscribe and like if you want to see more technology-based videos where I clean laptops or maybe fix them. Captain Seaton again from the Dell Latitude mothership, signing off.